Let go. Go get it. Get it.
Oh, Corbin.
How can you get it?
Get the balloons.
Jump. Get it. Oh, get it. Get up there. Get up there. Want to climb on Daddy? Okay. Ready? All right. All right. Ready? Ready? Okay, ready?
Can you get it?
Can you reach it?
If you stand on your tiptoes and back up a little bit. Yay! Oh, hold on.
Where is it? Which way?
Oh no! Oh no. Corbin, can you jump?
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Ready?
It's way over here, babe. Get it. Back up. Get it. You get it.
We're trying to reach it.
Oh no!
Oh no.
Oh no.
Did the balloon go boom?
Mommy!
The balloon. Can you jump? Corbin, jump.
No.
Jump, Corbin. Corbin, jump.
Hey, get it. Get to me.
Get.
Oh,
Oh no. Corbin, can you jump?
now you have to get it.
Jump. Corbin, jump. Oh.
Try again.
He's like
now,
this.
now you know it's possible, right? That balloon. Say balloon. Here. Say balloon. Mooney.
How did all those balloons get up there, Corbin?
No, nobody's here.
Can you get the balloons?
Nobody's here.
Jump. Oh no. Jump.
Oh, this one. Uh-oh.
Corbin, get it. Jump.
Go pants. Where?
Say, get it, Dad. Get it.
I can kind of tell by how he leans.
It's way over here.
Get it.
Jump. Corbin, jump.
Where's it? Where is it?
Behind him.
You still got it?
Yep.
Good job.
Nope.
Uh-oh. Get it. Good job. Hold on. Hold on to it. Show Mama.
Ooh, you have the balloon?